there, baby. Come and grab my body.
Hello guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Oge from Abuja, Nigeria. In today's video, we're going to be making liquid soap. I'm going to start by showing you a list of ingredients. A couple of years ago, I used to make liquid soap for sale. I'll be attaching some of the pictures to this video, but I couldn't sustain it because I had a full-time job and it was really putting a lot of pressure on me, so I stopped. While I was making that soap for business, I had all the ingredients and recipes in my head. But you know, a few years have gone by, and I have a lot of things I'm thinking about. I've forgotten all of that recipe, and I don't even have the energy to go back to it. But for you guys, I could go that extra. You know I love you, you know I care about you. Okay, so but for today's video, I'm just going to be showing you how I make it. I got to the market and got the ingredients, and they just labeled it for me one after the other, what I'll add, when I should add it, as one by one, and that's what I'm just going to be using. I have still some of the ingredients, I still remember them, and I'll be mentioning them as I add them into the mixture. One of the reasons I'm doing this is because I want to save cost. Of course, I normally buy liquid soap to regular brands, Morning Fresh or Mama Lemon. They are not sponsored, but I find out when it was just me and my husband, I could use one liter for up to 3 months. Yes, I managed like that. But with the kids around and everything, it's very difficult. In fact, sometimes in 2 weeks, it's gone. So this is a way to help me save. This is a way to help me pull some extra cash in my pocket and for savings. By the way, guys, how many of you, before the married women out there, how many of you have your husbands using your liquid soaps for car wash? Yes, my husband does that a lot. So this is one way it's going to help me. Perhaps when I have like 10 liters, which is what I'm making right now, it will last me for a reasonable time, and I'm going to be carrying you guys along. So let me know if you like this video. If you're new on my channel, you're welcome. Please join this amazing family by subscribing to this lovely family, and you won't regret it, trust me. And if you're already a subscriber, thank you for coming back to watch my videos. I really appreciate it. Do drop your comments below. Let me know what your thoughts about this video is, and of course, give me a like if you liked it. Give me a thumbs up if you like this video. Don't forget to click the notification bell so that you get updates anytime I share any post, and then share with your friends so that they can get to learn from me from this video as well. So let's just get this ball rolling. So guys, this is all of the ingredients that I got. Everything cost 1,500 naira and is expected to make a 10-liter gallon of liquid soap, multi-purpose liquid soap, as a matter of fact, and this is expected to last me for some months. Like I told you guys earlier, I went and it was labeled. I have number 4, 5, 6 all tied together, and it's supposed to be, I think there's an error there, it's supposed to be 3, 4, 5 or 4, 5, 6, really something like that. They've been tied together. I'm supposed to mix them all up before even starting the process, but I skipped that, and I only realized that while I was making the mixture. So this is what it looks like. Before now, I used to be able to know the recipe, know measurements, how many grams for whatever ingredients that I needed, but I don't have the time to do that. When I'm able to do that in the future, I'll be carrying you guys along, but for the time being, I'm just making this to help reduce cost on liquid soap, because I have my hobby using my liquid soap most of the time to wash cars. So even if at the end of the day this is used to wash cars, I really don't mind. This is, at least it's going to save me a whole lot of money. This is all of the ingredients. Apart from the ingredients, the equipment you're going to be needing is hand gloves, face mask, and of course turning spoon. This is a big size turning spoon. Then your measuring cup. In the absence of a measuring cup, you can use your 10-liter gallon, which is what I have here. I have water in it already, just to make sure. If you don't have a measuring cup, this measuring cup, where we have the L, the highest level, is 1 liter, so 10 of it is going to give you 10 liters. I have my plate and spoon for mixing the color when the time is right, and then I have my funnel to pour in the mixture. Before I forget, last but not the least, you need somebody, a companion or somebody who's going to help you in stirring, so that there are no lumps or anything like that. You just want to have yourself and somebody else who's going to be doing all the stirring. In my case, I have my little angel Chisom helping me out to make all the magic happen. So we're going to get started right about now. And we're starting with pouring all the water from this 10-gallon bucket into this 20-gallon bucket or paint bucket, as the case may be, and that's it. So I really don't need to use the 1-liter cup to measure. For me, this is really fast and it's time saving. I've put on my gloves, I've also put on my face mask, and I'm also outside. You want to do this outside because these are chemicals you're going to be handling. It is they are very dangerous chemicals, and you don't want to inhale or even allow it to touch your skin or any part of your body. You just want to mix it in water, and that's it. While I'm pouring ingredients, which I've poured number 1, she's stirring non-stop, just so until the whole process is done. That is all that you need to do. You don't need any extra skill for this. You can do it by yourself. You can use the liquid soap, like I said, in my case, which is going to be a car wash. I could also use it to wash dishes. I could use it for cleaning the floors. I can use it to wash clothes, although I won't recommend for clothes really, but it's multi-purpose. You can actually use it for anything you wish to. So number 2 is going in right about now. And yes, my number 3, 4, 5 is supposed to be mixed together. I skipped this. I'm supposed to have done this earlier, and I'm just getting to do that. The implication of this is the SLS is not going to dissolve by the time I'm going to be adding this. I'm not really sure the implication it has on the mixture, but for now, probably we'll find out later. For now, I'm just adding this. SLS looks like this black liquid is PKO, palm kernel oil. This one, liquid white one I'm pouring in now, is Texapon. It's responsible for cutting grease and of course helping texturizing the mixture. And then the SLS, I think it has also some grease cutting powers, and of course cleaning powers. My daughter asked me, "Mommy, this looks like sprinkles. Is it edible?" And I said, "No, my darling, it is highly non-edible." Right? It looks like sprinkles, but it is not sprinkles. It is pure chemical for soap making. Yes, so I'm just mixing this together and then pouring in. I should have ordinarily mixed this and then kept aside until I'm ready when it's completely dissolved, but I'm just doing this. So guys, if you're doing this, you want to make sure you allow it dissolve, keep, and then use when it's time to add it, making sure that nothing goes to waste, guys. And now I have to help her because she's a bit slowing down the process, maybe because of the consistency of the water, because of course it's thickening up. It's not like it was when we first started. And then number 6 is the foaming agent. This is what is really responsible to help your product or the final product foam. And then of course, like I told you guys, I don't remember what this is, but I'm going to be letting you guys know in the future. So subscribe to my channel if you're not already subscribed, so you know all the nitty-gritty details. And here I have my formalin, which is number 8. Formalin is for preservation. Formalin is for preservation. It is used to preserve the content so it can last for up to 6 months and even 1 year. It is highly not consumable. Yeah, it is not consumable. It is highly not consumable.
Please drop your comments in the comment section so I can know what your thoughts about this video is, guys. Look how beautiful that looks. I still have my SLS is not yet completely dissolved, but I'm good to go. I'm just going to roll with this. So we're done. This is all we need to do for our liquid soap to come to reality. And now I just want to put the liquid soap to test to see how good it is. Just a little bit of that soap into my hands, and then how cool is that? Look how it is foaming. Look how pretty that is. Yeah, so that's it for my liquid soap, guys. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comment section. So the next thing I'm going to be doing now is to pour all of this into the 10-liter container that I used to get water in the beginning of this video, and I'm just going to set this aside in my house. I'm going to leave some for my hand wash, which I'm going to distribute to all of my restrooms, and then that's it. I have my 10-liter bottle. I also have my little hand wash, which I'm going to split into 3 or 4 places, and then I have a little bit of extra, which will also do me some good. I'm going to be diluting some of the liquid soap to make my hand wash for all of my restrooms, guys. This is how we grow. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Do let me know if you like this video by giving me a thumbs up, and then drop your comments below. Let me know what you think about this video, and then share with your friends. Subscribe if you have not yet subscribed. If you were able to watch this video to this point and then you're subscribed, you're missing. No, please subscribe, and then we'll see you in another video. I'll see you guys in another video. By the way, I share videos about healthy living, lifestyle, modest lifestyle, by the way, savings, and a lot more. Recipes, of course. So I'll be seeing you guys in another video. Until then, bye. Peace out.